I'm going to show you how to use the matching element. Click here to select the element. Select number 1. Then add how many points for that question. We're going to add a pair, and then we're going to match it with the word. Make sure it's covered, resize it, and that's done for the first one. Let's do another one. Select number 2. You can always resize it. Add the points, then add the pair. We're going to match it with number 2. And then you do the same with the rest. Now, let's view from the student side. This is what we did for the matching element. So for the student to match, they just have to click and go to number 1. And then click again to remove it. So we're going to go here, match it number 2, and match it. If they're using a touchscreen, like on a mobile or a tablet, they just have to click once on the first box and click again on the second box, and then it will be matched. And to remove the selection, just click again.